Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back. Today in writing, we're going to talk about drafting. I want you to look at the anchor chart on the left first before we do anything else, because anchor charts, remember, are key and our guide through whatever we're doing in the day. So with drafting, follow along, it says focus on getting your thoughts out in a hurry. Yes. You're going to skip lines. You're going to, don't write on the front and the back. You're not going to worry about spelling or punctuation. Nope, don't worry about that today. And it's not supposed to be pretty. What's that mean? Okay, I'm going to tell you. So, yesterday when we talked about writing, I told you that whenever you draft, you just have fun. You just keep writing and 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 don't worry about the spelling, the punctuation, what it looks like, anything. Or does it even make sense sometimes? Don't worry about it. We're gonna focus on that tomorrow. Okay, today is just your drafting. Super fun. What I did was I went ahead yesterday whenever we made our hand, remember we brainstormed on our feelings hand, and then I picked, remember, meeting new students. So what I did was on my next piece of paper in my writer's notebook, I made the title, I underlined it, I put the date, and I just started to write. And as you'll see, I skip spaces. There's spelling errors, things don't sound right. I don't know, but I just had fun writing it, and I knew what I wanted to say, and I got it on paper. Okay, and that's all I want you to do today. So, for example, I'm going to read to you what I wrote. Meeting my new students for the first time every year is something that always gets me excited. When they sit down at the desk and look at me, I look at a lot of faces and I get to be the one who gets to teach them. New math, new science, new reading, new ways to write. I have been waiting for weeks to introduce myself and tell them we will have a fun year. I could totally see that I want to change that because I read it out loud, which is awesome. I'm going to hold on to that till tomorrow. I already see things that I want to change, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait and do that tomorrow. And that's called revising and that's called editing. Okay. So today, your assignment is this. You are to right now take your topic from yesterday and write all about it today. How long does it have to be? I don't know. Like, a page is, spaced is probably like a paragraph. So you go to town, don't worry about it. Make sure you just stay focused on the topic, okay? Stay focused on the topic, all right? Okay, boys and girls, remember, do this page on your own. Don't ask for help. We as teachers just want to see what you can do, okay? All right, till next time, bye.